Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYH. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Want to get this updated as quite a bit of people talking about it, and rightfully so. Big volume, pretty nasty day here. And now the chart sits at a couple key levels as far as the world of technical analysis would be concerned. That first key level is the purple line right here, which is that famous 50-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day simple moving average, and you know when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, assuming, of course, you're bullish. And so far, so good. Yeah, the price did temporarily break down below it, but late day got a nice bounce right there. In fact, if you were to pull up the 30-minute chart, you would see that the last 30 minutes of the day was quite powerful, and that is what created this lower shadow here on the candle. But point being here, from the daily chart perspective, that is where that key moving average is, and you would want to see it hold above there. And so far, so good. The price is managing to hold up above there, not by much, but so far, like I said, the price is maintaining that purple line, again, the 50-day simple moving average. Now, in the event that level of support cannot hold, the next key level to keep an eye on is going to be this previous resistance level down here at $4.60. And this just comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken. So let's first just kind of establish that this level was indeed a level of resistance. And you can see right here, I think we'd all agree, this level here at 460 was quite the thorn in the side of the bulls for a while. When it was finally broken above, you can see, some nice things happen. So yeah, that was a level of resistance. So let's finish out that rule. When levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. So in the event the purple line does not hold and the price continues to bleed, the next key overall area from the technical perspective down there at $4.60. Now, in the event the price does start to bounce, I kind of hesitate to talk about levels of resistance, so I'm just going to talk about one because, in my opinion at least, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority by far is stabilizing and then chipping away at some sort of bottom. But in the event there is some sort of crazy turnaround and it bounces, I do want to map out at least one level. So if there is some sort of bounce, that first key level to keep an eye on, right up here, give or take around the $5.30 mark. And that's just kind of a middle ground of where these previous areas of support were right here. But again, in my opinion, sole focus right now should be on stabilizing and trying to build some higher base and try to avoid heading all the way down to 460. But only time will tell. A lot of momentum gained today by the bears. We'll see what sort of reaction the bulls can bring to the table tomorrow and then on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.